Hello again, it's Jack from Visual Effects. So today I just want to show you a new feature in Premiere that is coming soon. Right, so to use this effect you need to make sure you've got the layers selected that you want to do. So if you want to just cut this out and put something else behind, make sure you're on the opacity. There might be a way of moving this once you've done a mask over to another layer, but at the moment it seems to be a bit temperamental. So if you hover over opacity, make sure at the beginning of the timeline, click on the tool and then just click on the thing that you want to cut out and then just press drag forward. So there we have the cutout, so we can put anything we want behind this now. Background behind. We will scale it up. So this is obviously not going to be nowhere near as good as After Effects, but for quick jobs or putting graphics behind people's heads it'll be fantastic. There's a few tools as well, so you can feather the masks and stuff, but for now it's pretty cool that we've got this in Premiere. If you did want to put something behind but keep the background, then all you'd do for that is you would just duplicate that background and we could just get rid of that opacity on that one, and when let's just, for argument's sake, let's create a shape, make it pink, why not? And then that can actually sit behind that person, which that would have been a lot of effort before to do it in Premiere. You could do it, but it was a lot of effort, and now you can just do that sort of thing really quite simply. So hopefully you found this quite cool, funky, useful. Hopefully they continue to improve this tool. Never know, After Effects might eventually merge with Premiere, just like DaVinci Resolve has got Fusion built in. Hopefully you found this useful, and I'll catch you on the next one.